Every winter, as the full moon casts its silver light across the vast expanse of Gujarat's Great Rann of Kutch, a surreal transformation occurs. What was once a barren, cracked salt desert becomes the stage for one of India's most captivating cultural spectacles, the Rann Utsav, or the Salt Desert Festival. Held between November and February, this vibrant celebration turns an inhospitable landscape into a dazzling mosaic of color, art, and tradition. The Rann of Kutch, an immense salt marsh bordering Pakistan, stretches as far as the eye can see, white, otherworldly, and mesmerizing. During the dry season, when the monsoon waters recede and the sun sculpts geometric patterns into the salt crust, the region becomes a natural wonder. It's this stark beauty that provides the canvas for Rann Utsav's rich palette of human creativity. From traditional dance performances to intricate handicrafts, the festival is a tribute to the cultural resilience of the Kutchi people. Thousands of visitors from across the globe flock to the pop-up tent city in Dhordo village, complete with luxury accommodations, bonfires, and camel safaris. Here, time slows down and the horizon stretches infinitely, echoing tales of nomads and warriors, folklore, and faith. The festival is a multi-sensory celebration. Turbans swirl in the air during the Garba and dandiya raas dances, while the scent of spicy Kutchi cuisine wafts through the night. Artisans showcase mirrorwork textiles, handcrafted leather goods, silver jewelry, and wood carvings that embody centuries-old traditions passed down through generations. Local music reverberates through the desert with haunting melodies and hypnotic beats of the nagara and dal, invoking a timeless rhythm that moves both earth and spirit. Perhaps the most magical moment arrives when the full moon rises. The saline desert floor reflects the moonlight so intensely that it feels like walking on diamonds scattered across the earth. Under this lunar glow, couples stroll hand in hand, children chase shadows, and photographers capture ethereal frames. It's no wonder the moonlit nights are considered the heart of the festival. But the Salt Desert Festival is more than a cultural showcase, it is a statement of sustainability and community spirit. It brings economic vitality to remote villages, revives endangered crafts, and strengthens cultural pride. Guided tours take visitors to ancient temples, fossil parks, and flamingo-filled wetlands, revealing the ecological and spiritual richness of the region. For many, the Rann Utsav is not just a destination, but a revelation of how life thrives in extremes, how art can bloom in arid soil, and how a desert can sing 1,000 songs when people gather in celebration. It is India at its most poetic, raw, radiant, and resolutely alive.